Right, Dewalt saw flex bolt. This is the DCS575. It's working. That's working. Don't know. What's going on here? Now hold on. Why is that worn? And that not worn. Ah, there's the problem. That blade's wobbling. There's no warranty there. There's a problem there, look. The back flange is cracked. So in other words, this has been dropped. Yeah. Definitely cracked. See if I have a replacement here. Not so bad. Same one as the 18 volt. I don't know if this blade's damaged or not. Seems okay, so we'll give it a wee test. Right, it's the front flange that actually centers the blade as well. Make sure that it actually center up correctly before tightening up. Spot on. That's that one fixed.